So good morning all. Right. See, solve 2 times x plus 1 by x whole square minus 7 times x plus 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 0, where x does not equal to 0. So here given 2 times x plus 1 by x whole square minus 7 times x plus 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 0. So let us say x plus 1 by x is equal to t. We have 2t square minus 7t plus 5 is equal to 0. So this we can write 2 into 5 is equal to 10. And this 10 we can write minus 2 into minus 5, and this minus 7 we can write minus 2 plus minus 5. So the middle term, the minus 70, we have written minus 5t minus 2t plus 5 is equal to 0. From 2t square minus 5t, take t common, 2t minus 5, minus 1 common, 2t minus 5, 2t minus 5 common, 2t minus 5 into t minus 1 is equal to 0. So 2t minus 5 is equal to 0 means t is equal to 5 upon 2. T minus 1 is equal to 0 means t is equal to 1. Here two cases will arise. Two cases will arise. So that means what is the first case means? First case number 1. T is equal to 5 by 2. If t is equal to 5 by 2, then x plus 1 by x is equal to 5 by 2. Now this we need to solve it. Our target is to find out the x value. Again, take x is the LCM. X square plus 1 equals to 5 by 2. By cross multiplication, we get 2x square plus 2 equal to 5x. This is 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equals to 0. Now we get a quadratic equation in x and we need to solve it. 2 to the 4, this we can write 2x square minus 4x and minus x plus 2 equals to 0. So 2x common, we have x minus 2 minus 1 common, x minus 2 equals to 0. So we get x minus 2 into x minus 2 common, 2x minus 1 equals to 0. So therefore here we have x minus 2 is equal to 0, we get x is equal to 2, 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 by 2. So now case 2, if t is equal to 1, so then x plus 1 by x is equal to 1. Here LCM x square plus 1 equals to x. X square plus 1 is equal to x. Bring x this side. X square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now the factorization method is not possible, so go for quadratic formula method. First to find out actually d value here. T is equal to b square minus 4ac minus 1 square minus 4 into 1 into 1. This is 1 minus 4, that will be minus 3. So now x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of d upon 2a. So b is negative 1 plus or minus root of minus 3 upon 2. See, you remember one thing, root of minus 3 is equal to root of 3i square you can write. That is root 3i. So this equals to 1 plus or minus root 3i by 2. So hence We can write now answers. Hence, x is equal to 2 comma 1 by 2 comma 1 plus or minus root 3 I by 2. So these are the solutions of the given set. This is the sixth question, right? So let us move to next question now. Next, seventh question. X square plus 1 upon x square minus 5 times x plus 1 by x plus 6 equals to 0, where x does not equal to 0. So we need to solve this one. Okay. So first, my dear students, first we need to express this x square plus 1 by x square in terms of x plus 1 by x. So that means actually you see, suppose let us say x plus 1 by x is equal to t, squaring on both sides. So we get x plus 1 by x whole square is x square plus 2ab. 2 into x into 1 by x2 plus 1 by x square equals to t square. So x square plus 1 by x square is equal to, we can have t square minus 2. So that means let us proceed like this. Let x plus 1 by x equals to t. That implies x square plus 1 upon x square equal to t square minus 2. Now we have the given equation becomes, we have t square minus 2 minus 5 times t plus 6 equals to 0. So t square minus 5t, 6 minus 2 is 4, plus 4 equals to 0. Now let us factorize it to find out the value of t. So this can be written t square minus 4t minus t plus 4 equals to 0. T common, we have t minus 4, minus 1 common, t minus 4 equals to 0. Again t minus 4 common, t minus 4 into t minus 1 equals to 0. Now the two cases will arise. T minus 4 is equal to 0, t is equal to 4, t minus 1 is equal to 0, t is equal to 1. But t is x plus 1 by x. Case 1, first let us consider. So now let us consider case 1. If t is equal to 4, then x plus 1 by x equals to 4. Let us solve this one. X LCM, x square plus 1 equals to 4. So x square plus 1 equals to 4x. Transpose 4x to the left hand side. We get x square minus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. Now the factorization method we cannot do, so use formula method. Find d. D is equal to b square minus 4ac minus 4 square. 4 into a means x square coefficient 1, constant 1. This is 16 minus 4. So whose value is 12. Then go for formula method. So formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of d upon 2a. So that will be 4 plus or minus root 12 upon 2. See, the root 12 we can write the root of 4 into 3, whose value is 2 root 3. So this equals to 4 plus or minus 2 root 3 upon 2. From numerator, let us take 2 common. We have 2 plus or minus root 3 upon 2. 2 will get cancelled. We have 2 plus or minus root 3. This is case 1. Now go to case 2. Case 2 is equal to t is equal to 1. Case 2. If t is equal to 1, then x plus 1 by x is equal to 1. So that implies here x LCM, x square plus 1 equals to 1. So x square plus 1 equals to x. So x square minus x plus 1 equals to 0. So now the using factorization method we cannot solve. So that's why formula method need to be applied. Formula method we need to apply. So that means actually here you remember this can be done. So d value, that is b square minus 4ac. So minus 1 square minus 4 into 1, that is 1 minus 4. So minus 3. You will be getting imaginary roots only. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus root d upon 2a. B is negative 1, negative 1, negative 1, positive 1, plus or minus root negative 3 upon 2 into 1, 2. Negative root 3 is root 3 I, that is. So 1 plus or minus root 3 I by 2. So therefore, hence x is equal to, see the previous case, 2 plus or minus root 3, 2 plus or minus root 3, comma 1 plus or minus root 3 I upon 2. So these are the solutions of the given equation. Right. Okay, let us move to the next question. Right. So 1 minute now. Okay. Now, 8th question. X plus 1 times x plus 2 x plus 3 times x plus 4 equals to 120. So we need to solve this equation. Here we need to first of all arrange the rearrange the product of the left hand side. How could we arrange? This can be arranged like this. So 4 plus 1 is 5. First you multiply x plus 1 into x plus 4 and multiply into x plus 2 into x plus 3. That means solution follows like this. So given x plus 1 into x plus 4 right now, x plus 2 into x plus 3 equals to 120. Now if you find the product of these two, we get like this: x square 4 plus 1 5, 5x. So 1 into 4 4. Here this we can write x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 120. So now let us say, let x square plus 5x equals to t. So this can be rewritten as we have t plus 4 multiplied with t plus 6 equal to 120. If you simplify this one, we are going to get a quadratic equation in terms of t. T plus 4 times into t plus 6, that is t square plus 10t plus 24, bring 120 to the left hand side, minus 120 equals to 0. This we can write t square plus 10t, 120 minus 24. 120 minus 24 means subtract 6, you will be getting 9. So 96. Am I correct now? So negative 96 equals to 0. Okay, this we need to solve now. This equation we need to solve. So that means 96 we can write like this as a product of negative 16 into 6, negative 96. This 10 we can write, or sorry, 6, 16, 16 and minus 6, 6, 10 itself only. So that means 10t we can write 16t minus 6t. So now we can write t square plus 16t minus 6t minus 96 equals to 0, right? So t common, we have t plus 16 minus 6 common, we have t plus 16 equals to 0. Again we can take out common t plus 16 into t minus 6 equals to 0. We have t plus 16 is equal to 0, t is equal to minus 16 and t equals to 6. So we need to solve this one now. First case 1 will arise. Case 1. If t equals to minus 16, then, so go back to our question, t stands for x square plus 5x. Now we can write x square plus 5x equal to negative 16. Transpose negative 16 to the left hand side, we get x square plus 5x plus 16 is equal to 0. So now d is b square minus 4ac, 5 square, 4 into 1 into 16, that is 25 minus 64, that will be negative 39. So x is equal to minus b plus r minus root d upon 2a. b is 5, negative 5. plus or minus root of negative 39 upon 2a. 2a means 2. Negative root 39 is, we can write, you remember all of you, see, negative root 39 equals to root of 39 into I square, where I square is equal to minus 1. Root 39i we can write. So therefore here x is equal to minus 5 plus or minus root 39i upon 2. So we get the imaginary roots. So and next, so one more case we need to consider, that is the cases here. See, what are the t values here? Where 6 we have. So x square plus 5x is equal to 6 we need to consider. That is case 2. Case 2 we need to consider. Case 2, if t is equal to 6, so then x square plus 5x equals to 6. X square plus 5x minus 6 equals to 0. Factors of 6. 6 1 just 6. So plus 6 minus 1 is 5. So with the help of factorization only we can solve. X square minus 6x minus x minus 6 equals to 0. Okay, am I correct? So next, x common, we have x plus 6. So minus 1 common, x plus 6 equals to 0. Again x plus 6 common, we have x minus 1 equals to 0. So we get x is equal to minus 6 and x is equal to plus 1. So hence we have the solutions. Hence x equals to negative 6 comma 1, and go to the previous page, that is minus 5. So minus 5 plus or minus root 39i upon 2. Total 4 solutions we have. Is completed. Next question, that is 9th question. Solve root of x plus 1 plus root of 2x minus 1. I repeat, root of x plus 1 plus root over 2x minus 5 equals to 3. Now the solution, given root over x plus 1 plus root over 2x minus 5 equals to 3. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So we get root of x plus 1 plus root of 2x minus 5 whole square equals to right hand side 3 square. This is a plus b whole square. We can write root of x plus 1 whole square plus this is root of 2x minus 5 whole square. 2ab 2 times root of x plus 1 into root of 2x minus 5 equal to 9. This will be x plus 1, obviously 2x minus 5 plus 2 times root of x plus 1 into 2x minus 5. That will be 2x square. Root a into root b, root of ab. Root of x plus 1 into root of 2x minus 1, 2x minus 5 is x plus 1 into 2x minus 5. 2x square plus 2x minus 5x, that is minus 3x minus 5 equal to 9. So we need to simplify further also. 3x minus 4 plus 2 times root of 2x square minus 3x minus 5 equal to 9. So now take these two values to the right hand side. We get like this: 2 times root of 2x square minus 3x minus 5 equals to 9 minus 3x plus 4. That is 13 minus 3x you will be getting. 9 minus 3x plus 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 minus 3x. Again squaring on both sides. We get this is 4 times 2 square is 2x square minus 3x minus 5 equal to 13 minus 3x whole square. This will be 8x square minus 12x minus 20 equals to 13 square 169. 13 3 ja 39. 39 into 2 is 78. 78x plus 9x square. Now we need to simplify. 9x square minus 8x square is x square minus 78x plus 12x is 666x plus 169 plus 20 189 equals to 0. Now the factorization we need to do. 63 into 3 is 189 minus 63x minus 3x we can write it. Right. Right. X square minus 66x 189. Right. So now the consider x square minus 66x plus 189 equals to 0. This can be written x square minus 63x minus 63x minus 3x plus 189 equals to 0. So x common x minus 63 minus 3 common x minus 63 equals to 0. This we can write x minus 63 into x minus 3 equals to 0. So we get two solutions. X is equal to 63, x is equal to 3. So verification we need to do it. Verification. So now verification we need to do for this one. So first case 1, put x is equal to 3 in the left hand side. What is LHS? That is root of x plus 1 plus root of 2x minus 5. Substituting, this is root of 4 plus root of 1. Root 2 plus 1, 3. Yes, this is right hand side. So therefore x is equal to 3 satisfies. Now we need to check this solution also. X is equal to 3 is the solution. So case 2. Put x is equal to 63. Left hand side, root of 65 plus 62 into 3. 62 into 3 is 126. 126 minus 5. This square root of 65. Sorry, square root of 64. This is square root of 64. 126 minus 5 is square root of 121. This is 8 plus 11 is 19. But 19 does not equal to 3. This will not satisfy. So hence x is equal to 6. 3 is the only solution, only one solution. This is the answer. So now we have completed these quadratic equations. Most of the questions we have dealt. So tomorrow onwards we start JEE Mains multiple choice questions. See you all. Bye bye. Have a nice day.